Hello, Randy here with Retire with Options. I want to take just a quick moment of your time to talk about AT&T. So AT&T keeps making the top 10 list of stocks that dividend investors buy, and I just want to offer up the fact that, hey, you're probably doing it wrong. Not that it's a bad thing altogether, but let's explore what we could be doing with AT&T. So last week, I sold 5 put contracts on AT&T, and it's going to pay about $60 a contract or $300. So I'm essentially getting paid $300 a month to not buy AT&T. Why do I say that? Well, let's look at the charts. At AT&T, with my strike price of $27, it's going to have to be down here in the next 30 days, and that's not likely to happen. So the next month I can sell it again and probably consistently churn out $300 a month on AT&T. So what does it actually take to put on this trade? So at a $27 strike price, let's just figure it out. Here's my calculator. 27 times 5 equals 135 times 100 shares is $13,500. But with a margin account, you don't have to cover the $13,500. You have to account for about a fourth with a good broker. I use interactive brokers, and they give you about a 4-to-1 margin. So let's divide that by 4. So I have to have cash in my account for about $33.75 to cover this trade. Now let's see, if I take the 300 and divide that by the $33.75, that's going to give me times 100. That's going to give me about an 8.8% return on that capital every 30 days. Compare that to AT&T's dividend, which gives you about 7% a year. I want to just let that sink in a little bit. 8.8% a month for not buying AT&T. That's $300 a month on 5 contracts. Well, you can continue buying AT&T if you want, but I just thought I'd throw this option out there. And, you know, if things really go bad, the worst that can happen is I have to buy AT&T at $27 a share. Way down here. And guess what, folks? I'm happy to own AT&T at $27 a share, because at the worst part of the pandemic, it only got as low as $26.08 a share. Well, that's all I've got for this little quick tutorial, but you know, guys, you really are doing it wrong if you're holding AT&T. You just need to be not buying it and getting paid to do that. If this makes sense to you, and you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe button. It'll help me out and keep me showing you other stocks that you should not buy, that there is a much better way to play them. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.